Assalamualaikum. Today we will be presenting our group assignment entitled Human Resource Management in Samudra Nexus Shipping Sdn Bhd for the course MMM 3823 Human Resource Management in Maritime. Here is a list of our group members. MyHR Pro is a professional human resource management consultancy that provides comprehensive HR service, include recruitment, talent acquisition, training, and workforce planning to support organization performance and business growth. Samudra Nexus Sdn Bhd operate in the global maritime and logistics industry and face intense competition, prompting the need to strengthen market presence and customer engagement. To address this, the company engaged MyHR Pro to recruit skilled marketing professionals with relevant industry knowledge and digital marketing capabilities, recognizing the marketing department critical role in promoting service and enhancing brand awareness and build strong customer relationship.
Organizations designer. Firstly, functional structure with marketing emphasis. The shipping company adopts a functional organization structure, highlighting the importance of the marketing department. Secondly, marketing department position. The marketing department is under the commercial division, working with sales and business development to align marketing strategies with revenue and market growth. Thirdly, reporting structure. The marketing department reports to the chief commercial officer, who oversees commercial performance and reports regularly to the chief executive officer.
Point 4 explains the role of the marketing department within the organization. The department is responsible for conducting market research to understand customer needs, market trends, and competition in the shipping industry. It also handles branding and promotional activities to strengthen the company's image and attract potential customers. In addition, digital marketing is used to expand market reach and improve online presence, while customer relationship management focus on maintaining strong long-term relationship with clients to support business growth. Point 5 focus on coordination between departments. Close coordination is maintained between the marketing department and the operation and logistics departments to ensure that company's shipping capacity and service delivery capabilities. This coordination helps prevent over-promising to customers and ensure that services promoted can be delivered efficiently and on time. Point 6 highlights collaboration across departments. The marketing department collaborates with the customer service team to gather customer feedback and improve service quality. At the same time, it works with the human resources department to support staff training and competency development. This collaboration ensures employees are skilled, service standards are maintained, and customer satisfaction is continuously improved. So for the last point, discuss the organizational benefits of this structure. This organizational design improves overall efficiency by clearing, defining roles and responsibilities. It strengthens internal communication and allows faster responses to market changes. As a result, the company is better positioned to remain competitive and achieve sustainable growth in the shipping industry.
Hi, my name is Nur Aliantasha binti Zali. My matric number is S80439. Today, I want to explain about selection process at Samudra Nexus Company. Samudra Nexus Company conduct several stages in its employer selection process. These stages are designed to ensure that only suitable and qualified candidates are selected to fit vacant position with the organization. First, application form. The first stage of the selection process is the completion of the application form. Interested candidates are required to fill in the application form before proceeding to the next stage of selection. Information required include phone name, identity number card, home address, and other relevant personal information. Second, we want to reference check. The next step is the reference check. Candidates are required to provide reference details such as name of the referred person, contact number, occupation, and relationship with the candidates. This stage aim to verify the accuracy and authenticity of the information provided by the candidates in the application form. And other than that, we do interview to accept candidate to work in company Samudra Nexus. Various positions are offered and the marketing department involved in conducting the interview. The purpose of the interview is to assess the candidate communication skill, personality, and attitude and suitability for the company culture. Last, test. The final stage of the selection process is the test. This test is only administered to candidates who have successfully passed or the previous test. The test aims to evaluate the candidate abilities and competency. Second, measure their capability to work effectively within the company. Last, ensure that high productivity and quality of work can be achieved.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Iqmal Syafiq bin Muhammad Safri. My matric number is S80320. Today I would like to present about the recruitment method used by Samudra Nexus company. For the first one, Samudra Nexus company use a website as the main platform to recruit employees for the all position. The website provides clear information about job vacancies, eligibility requirements, and application procedures. It also allows applicants to fill in their personal details, submit application, and learn more about the company. The second one is the company also use advertisement to attract new employees. They make a poster and display to promote job opportunities with a starting salary of 1,700 ringgit. In addition, the company offers several benefits such as healthcare, facilities, overtime payment, and uniform. This benefit help to attract more interested candidate. Furthermore, Samudra Nexus company also use public announcement through social media such as TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram to reach the public and connect with potential employees. Social media makes it easier for the company to share information quickly and attract more applicants. In conclusion, recruitment is important to ensure that an organization hires the right. In conclusion, recruitment is important to ensure that an organization hires the right employees. Samudra Nexus company focus on external recruitment by using website, advertisement, and social media. This approach make the recruitment process easier, more organized, and accessible to the public. Thank you.
Training and Development Trainer. First Purpose Training Program. perfect market analysis, customer relationship management, CRM, HubSpot, digital marketing and SEO for logistics and sales negotiation for shipping clients. Training methods, practical workshop, industry seminars, and mentorship programs. C. Development strategy, job rotation, professional certification, strict assignments.
Next is Training and Development Planner. In 2026, our training strategy focused on progressive learning. We begin with technical skills like CRM, utilization, transition into advanced sales negotiation by mid-year, and conclude with strategy leadership building. Every season will be followed by a feedback look to track our progress. The next is justification. Is this plan justified by our need to excel? By improving our skill, we ensure operational excellence. This not only give us a competitive advantage over other but also help boost our brand authority, making us a trust name in the industry.
The last is conclusion. Effective human resource management plays a vital role in enhancing organizational performance and sustaining competitiveness in the maritime industry. Through strategy collaboration, my HR Pro support Samudra Nexus SDN BHD by implementing structured HR practice such as organizational design, selection and requirement, as well as training and development. This practice helps develop a high-performing marketing team, strengthen human capital, improve service quality, and contribute to the company long-term growth and competitive advantage. Okay, that's all from me.